So you want to learn about business cycles, huh?
Definitely. Aurelia's words carried me away. I want to learn all there is to it.
Then let's begin. Think of the economy as a grand ballroom. The music plays, couples dance, and the floor is full. That's prosperity. But eventually the music slows. Some leave the floor, and silence prevails. That's recession. The cycle is nothing more than the rhythm of the dance.
So, when the music stops, you don't panic. You wait for the next song?
Exactly. Winter always comes, Claire. Shops close, investors retreat, fear spreads. But winter is also when fortunes are made, if you have the courage to buy when others are selling. Then spring arrives, governments lower rates, confidence returns, and the seeds we planted begin to grow.
If it is so simple, why doesn't everybody do that? It could save many people from trouble.
Because, Claire, simplicity is the hardest thing in the world. Everyone knows winter will come, yet when it arrives, fear blinds them. They sell at the bottom, buy at the top, and call it bad luck. Discipline is rare, patience is rarer, and courage, true courage to act against the crowd, that is almost non-existent.
So, the cycle isn't just about economics, it's about human nature.
Yes, the business cycle is nothing more than a mirror of our emotions: fear, greed, hope, despair. Aurelia's family survived 7 centuries because they mastered themselves first. Wealth is not built in the market, it is built in the mind. But why this sudden interest in financial wisdom?
I can't quite explain. I just feel this sudden urge to create, to achieve something great.
I know exactly what you mean, Claire. That sudden urge to create, to achieve. It's the same fire I felt at my beginnings. I remember sitting in a cramped apartment, no marble floors, no gardens, just a desk and a dream. Everyone around me said the market was too risky, that I should wait for better times. But I couldn't wait. I had to build something, even if it meant failing.
You said you couldn't wait, but why?
Because, Claire, nobody can truly time the market. Cycles come and go, but no one knows how long they will last. Take real estate, for example. You can buy a plot just 5 kilometers from a major city and expect its value to rise. But if no one decides to develop the area, you might wait years, even decades, before you see any return.
I see what you mean. So, in your early years, if you had to describe the most important trait that fueled your success, what would that be?
Integrity. You see, Claire, in our daily lives, we often say things we don't mean. Small promises, casual words. But in the business world, you cannot afford that. If I tell an associate, see you tomorrow, then tomorrow I must be there. If I promise delivery, it must arrive. If I give my word, it must stand. Because money flows to trust, and trust is built only on integrity. In my beginnings, I had almost nothing, but I had my word. And when people saw that I kept it, even when it cost me, they trusted me. That trust became my first capital. Without integrity, Claire, no amount of strategy or timing will save you. With it, even the harshest winter can be endured.
I'm not certain I followed you entirely. Would you clarify?
Let me explain, Claire. The business cycle is full of storms, recessions, crashes, panics. Money alone won't carry you through. What keeps you afloat is trust. If people know your word is solid, they'll stand with you in winter and celebrate with you in summer. Integrity is the anchor. Without it, the cycle will consume you.
So, integrity isn't just about being honest, it's about being reliable, even when the season changes.
Exactly. Wealth is built on numbers, but it survives on character. And what about that little helicopter you've been dreaming of, Claire? Did your father finally agree to pay for it?
No, dear. And it's the first time he has resisted me so much. I usually get what I want right away, but this time he told me if you ever want that flying thing, you'll have to make a business plan and prove you can earn $1 on your own.
Wow, that explains your sudden interest in business matters. So it's not Aurelia's wisdom that inspired you. It's the helicopter.